everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Himani Goyal Soul Studio. I'm Himani. So we are here with our weekly horoscope for the coming week, that is 26th of July till 1st of August, based on your moon zodiac signs. So if you don't know your moon sign, then you can check these readings as per your zodiac sign, whichever you are connected with. It's a general reading. Just have faith and connect with my energies. You will definitely resonate with the guidance from the universe. I will put down timestamp of each zodiac sign so you can check yours and enjoy the reading. Also share this video with your family and friends so that they can also plan their week according to the guidances. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my tarot reading videos before time. For any general personalized assistance, you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, also email ID. You can write email. So all these social media handles, Twitter, will be there in my description box. So you can check them and you can follow me and you can reach out to me. So without wasting any time, let's start our weekly horoscope, that is for the week 26th of July to 1st of August. So first zodiac sign is Aries. Let's see what universe is guiding for Aries. So let me pull the card for Aries. Okay, Aries, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है the moon card, which means इस समय आप इस हफ्ते you are having too much of past worries and fears which are not letting you to move forward and you are unable to see opportunities in your life. तो बहुत सारी opportunities हैं but आप कुछ भी start करने से डर रहे हो. Maybe there is past fear. So this card is guiding you. Let go of worries and fears. Understand the truth of the situation, why it happened, learn from it and move on. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आप कार चलाना सीखना चाहते हो पर डर रहे हो कि पहले आप सीखे थे लेकिन एक्सीडेंट हो गया, सो यू आर नॉट एबल टू लर्न कार नाउ, बट ट्रस्ट मी, you have to learn why it happened, why that situation happened, learn from it and move on. Start learning the car. You have powerful instincts, powerful intuitive epiphanies. Based on that you take the decision, but currently your mind is too much of fear and too much of past mistakes, so don't take decision currently. Just make the plan out of it and then possibly new week will come in the next coming weeks, then you can take the decisions. Currently don't take any decisions and come out of the fear. All the best, Aries. चलिए नेक्स्ट zodiac साइन पे चलते हैं, that is Taurus. Let's see the guidance for वृषभ राशि. Okay, Taurus, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है King of Summer का, which means this week you are very mature and warm-hearted person. Singles might find a romantic partner with whom you can trust, or already in a relationship you can trust your partner. Also, if you are searching for some advice related to your love life or your career, anything you need, you are seeking advice, this week you will get advice directly from the heart. So whosoever you are taking advice from, whether it is your friend, colleague or elders, whosoever you are taking advice related to love life or relationship or any other matter, that will come from the heart, or else vice versa, that is, you might be giving advice to the person which will be directly from the heart. This week you might be getting involved yourself in some cultural activities or some creative endeavor. You might attend some art exhibition or theater or some dance dance festival. So it's basically you might get involved in cultural or creative endeavor, Taurus. All the best. चलिए next zodiac sign Gemini, मिथुन राशि. Let's see the guidance for Gemini. Okay, Gemini, for you the card is 7 of Autumn. So this card is telling you this week you need to have patience. Don't rush out things and don't worry. Things will happen as per the universe wish. So you have to have patience. It's also telling you take time to rest and plan your next step. Slowly plan your moves. Slowly plan your next steps. But before that, take rest and then plan. Also, you might invest your money in some long-term investments, or this card also tells you invest your time in something good. Have patience, don't rush out things. All the best, Gemini. Let us move ahead with the next zodiac sign, Cancer. Kark Rashi. Let's see the guidance for Cancer. Okay. Cancerians, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 4 of Autumn का, which means this week you need to reach out to others for assistance. I feel you are feeling lonely. You are fear of losing money. So just reach out to others for assistance. You might be facing challenges related to money issues. If some emergency comes, stay away from ego. Remove your ego aside and reach out to others for assistance. They might help you, whether you are emotionally drained or whether you are facing challenges related to money and you have some emergency where you need to buy something or anything related to money. You can reach out to others for assistance. This is not the right time for career change, Cancer. Hold on for next week. Don't rush out for career change. Have patience. All the best, Cancer. Chaliye, next zodiac sign, that is Leo. Singh Rashi. Let's see the guidance for Leo. Okay. For Leo, we have the card Life Experience, which means this week you need to let go of belief systems or things which are not serving any purpose for you, which is no longer work for you. Any habit or anything which is no longer working for you, it's the time to leave that, let go of that. There might be some life-changing event this week for you, Leo. Sudden transformation, sudden change might come up in your life. So you have to ready for that life-changing event, because that situation might lead to significant opportunities. You might suddenly get the job which you are waiting for. So there is a sudden movement of life-changing event which might lead to significant opportunities. So have faith and see the difference. All the best, Leo. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Virgo. Kanya Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Virgo, for you the card is 6 of Spring, which means wonderful news is on its way. If you are looking for a job, this week you will get the job. Or if you are already in a job, your hard work will be appreciated by your superiors. You will be recognized for your work and you will be appreciated. It might lead to promotions or salary increment. It's always saying that smart choices bring rewards. So if you move your work with smart choices, definitely you will earn rewards. This will encourage and motivate you to move forward. There is lot of success and public recognition this week. If you are a personality or if you are involved that have lot of public recognition, definitely this is the week for you where you will achieve success in life, Virgo. All the best. Chaliye, let us move ahead with the next zodiac sign, Libra. Let's see the guidance for Tula Rashi. Okay, so for Libra, we have the card 5 of Winter, which means this is the week where you need to walk away from dishonest associations. People who are no longer required, you should come out of that dishonest association. Realizing that what you thought you wanted isn't the best choice for your happiness. So universe want Universe knows what gives you happiness. So if universe is forcing you to walk away from dishonest associations, that means universe wanted you to be happy, and this choice is not the best choice for your happiness. So you have to move away, you have to leave it. I know it's painful, but this is the only right choice for your happiness. Something that's not worth the effort. So this situation is not worth your effort. So you have to walk away. All the best, Libra. चलिए नेक्स्ट zodiac sign Scorpio. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is Queen of Winter, which means this week you are very strong, self-sufficient and have patience. You are more focused towards your career. It is the time to focus on your career. You have the choice to let go of people or things that no longer serve you. So this week is the week where you need to leave people or things behind which is not serving you any purpose. This week, singles will remain singles. They will not focus on marriage while they will be focusing on their career. You will be more focused towards your career. It also indicates divorce. You might be filing for divorce as your emotion, as you are thinking practically and from the mind that this relationship is not serving any purpose for you. So this card indicates divorced individuals. So all the best, Scorpio. Chaliye, next zodiac sign Sagittarius. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Sagittarians, for you we have the card Awakening or Hanged Man, which means this week you need to change the way you are looking at the situation. So here there is an hypothetical situation where you have a fight with your friend and you are thinking too much about it's his fault, he has done lot of arguments with you. But when you change the perspective of the situation, when you look at in a different way, that he might be upset, that and you are very close friends. So sometimes when you are upset, you shout at the person who is very close to you. So you have to change the way you are looking at the situation. Embrace your uniqueness. You are unique. Believe in yourself. Embrace your uniqueness. Don't feel that you cannot do that work, but you can do thousands of other work which you are capable of. So embrace your uniqueness. There might be a temporary pause in the action. So whatever you are doing, if you're forcefully doing, then universe will give a temporary pause. It can be you might lose your job because you are working too hard. So universe wants you to take temporary pause, reevaluate what exactly you need in life. Go with the flow. All the best, Sagittarians. Let us move ahead with the next zodiac, Capricorn. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Capricorn, for you the card is the Sun, which means whatever plans you have started last week, that will work out perfectly. All whatever challenges you were facing, it will going to get over and you will achieve success in life. Amazing ideas which you have in mind, which you have implemented, will lead you rewards and commendation. You have to have gratitude for the blessings of life. Always have gratitude towards the universe as things are in your favor. Everything is moving perfectly. What exactly you need in life, you will achieve success. So all the best, Capricorn. Let us move ahead with the next zodiac sign, Aquarius. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Aquarius, for you the card is the Dreamer, which means embrace your true purpose. Whatever your true purpose is, embrace it. Have leap of faith. Universe is there. Believe in universe. Trust yourself and move forward. Begin your new adventure. Begin your new journey. I know the project which is coming up in your hand might be different than what you have worked, but take the risk based on the leap of faith, and universe blessings are with you. Definitely you will achieve success. All the best, Aquarius. The last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is 10 of autumn, which means this week you will be taking steps to ensure financial security for your children, for your wife and loved ones. You will be making wise investments for your retirement, for your children education and for your wife. So you are thinking about financial security this week, Pisces. You will be making investments, you will be making securities for your loved ones and your children. This is the week where you will be honoring your family traditions, legacy, family legacy. You will be following your family legacy this week. Whatever traditions are, you will be following them. So, all the best, Pisces, and thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope this week's horoscope will help you and guide you to plan your week according to the guidance. See you next week. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Cheers.